Hello YouTube. I thought it was about time that we took a look at the Multi-Tool School water bottle kit. I have attached with some bungee cord to the outside of it the old JetBoil kit. It's just the right size, fits on there pretty good with some bungee cord. The other items on the outside of the pouch include my Mora knife in the leather sheath from Mora, and I put this groove there so that I can use this bungee cord to secure it and try to make sure that it doesn't come out and get lost. And of course I also have my Leatherman Charge in the Leatherman pouch with my Leatherman Charge there. On the inside of the water bottle, I have a couple of these Sea to Summit collapsible mugs that fit up here in the lid of the water bottle pouch on a stainless steel water bottle. Now, the front pouch here, I've added some paracord to the straps, and I can use it to strap extra things to the outside. The inside of the pouch has got a spork, the water bottle hanging device. I've got a pocket-sized Altoid Smalls tin with some fire starting equipment in there, some fire starters. On down here further in the bottom of the pouch, I've got some bank line and that kind of thing. Now, up here, I have sewn a piece of paracord across the top that I can hang the Night Eyes mini beaners from, and then a piece of elastic across here to keep these items from bouncing around and getting all hung up. And so I've got a lighter with paracord taped to it so that I can hang it. The Bic lighter has a O-ring around it here so that the tab doesn't accidentally get pushed down and you lose your fuel. I'm carrying a Swiss Army mini champ that has scissors, knife blade, and nail file and that kind of stuff. This is a small flashlight from Tool Logic, and you pull it out and there's a ferro rod in there. Kind of cool. And this last item, I'm using a Night Eyes gear tie to hold in place this Leatherman adapter. So that is the contents of the multi-tool school water bottle kit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.